Hey, start now. We are exploring entrepreneurship in the second half of life. We are working on recovery planning phase right now. And this is for people 30 and above. The idea here is to start small, it is to start smart, and importantly, start right now. So we are in the recovery planning. This is not a drill. There are 3 million people in India between 30 in their mid 60s who are potential entrepreneurs. So we have skills and we have solutions. How do you approach the next phase of your life? You want to minimize your risks and you want to maximize your values. So if you are in the second half of life, where will you be working in 10 or 15 years or even couple of years from now? We are all going to be working longer. You can choose the circumstances. Do you ever want to feel this as a risk again, becoming an entrepreneur and networking with other innovators? It is a viable solution, especially for people in the second half of life. So you want to give yourself options that make sense to you. It is scary or not to do this. The old say was the starting a small business was scary. It is now scary or not to do it. You can design work options that work for you. You can stop ceding control over your economic future to the other people. So how do you reframe the idea of work? You have to take it from something you have got to do to what you get to do. What will you do with the rest of your life? Put yourself in control. You can take action steps today, soon to plan and rebuild alternatives in your life. Entrepreneurship offers many viable options along this path. Your community needs you. The India needs you. Making a difference is ageless. There is 3 key steps involved with this. First is you want to give yourself permission. We are going to start small. So the word mission is at the heart of permission. You are going to live with your small enterprise. It needs to be something you would love and matches up with your values and your own mission. You start with what you know. Start with what you love and start with what not makes you angry, and start with market you are trying to support, and start with communities you care about. You are not alone. There are 30 million businesses in India and 60 millions are one-person operative businesses. About 70% of those one-person operative businesses are run on a part-time basis. We are all in this together now. All political stripes, all business types. This is the recovery planning phase, and we need to apply strategy and we need to execute for our entire economy. So one of our proposed solutions on this permission is to give yourself permission to do the transition. I am talking about a phase transition. Moving from working for someone else to working for yourself. Why not plan an exit strategy? It can help everybody involved. It can help employers and it can help the employees. Second phase of this approach is planning. You want to start smart. You want to build that in from the beginning. There is a basic elements to a good business practices that have lasted thousands of years. You need to know how to keep all the balls in the air. You need to apply skills and know how you have developed across your career. We have all gotten smarter. We have all learned what doesn't work during this economic crisis. There is many opportunities to build strong new network solutions. The second phase of the planning effort is to identify your mission and your goals and your values. The purpose of this is to minimize your risks and to maximize your own values. Everything just changed in overnight. You can see where the risks are. You can see where the problems in the economy are. Your job is to minimize those risks. You can focus on communities and on market that you love. You can bring a lifetime of hard work and dedication to a problem solving where it needed most. And you want to create an ageless business plan. The focus here is working on leveraged collaborations. This is at the heart of the startup model, the ageless business model. You should not act alone. You can create value networks with people with relevant skills to supplement and grow your own model. You can create geographically disparate collaborations that can focus on problem solving at local levels. Third phase of this is practice. Practice your art. You want to start right now? Almost everything takes longer than you expect. We all know that, and in the midst of great uncertainty right now, which adds to those timelessness, but that is not a reason not to start. It is the main reason to start right now. Give yourself time to experiment, to test, to understand. So you want to build an enterprise that for you to thrive within. You want to set a pace that is right for you and for your business. The India needs you. When you have a good ideas, it's more than ever. You need to face yourself. I need you to thrive for your enterprise to grow. Small businesses should be built to work at a sustainable pace. If it is not sustainable, it is not long term. Repeatable shortcuts, bypassing knowledge and experiences, those are examples of speed not being a benefit, but part of the problem you are selling. Value like your age is your advantage. Expertise your currency. Your network is your strategy. With your age, you are selling knowledge with your expertise, and with your networks, you are providing solution and adding value to a most needy people or community or India. So where will you be working in 10 or 15 years or even couple of years from now? Again, I'm asking the question. We are back to the core issue here. We all need more resiliency. We need to build smart new skill sets with ongoing value to communities we live in and the world we live in. How do you launch a small enterprise as an older person, confused person, scary person? The key is to turn resources that you have into advantages you want to gather and to collect collaborative groups apart problem solvers. You want to build knowledge networks of answers and solutions and value that you can bring to the public. The solution to all this, carefully listen, the solution to all this, you need a realistic plan. You need to start small, you need to start smart, and you need to start right now, right away to start small. You need to give yourself permission to explore. Start smart. You need to plan in advance to succeed and to start right now. You need to begin practicing your craft as soon as you can. You can do this. It is not hard. It is just new. Your community needs you. The world needs you. The India needs you. And everything is new right now. In this recovery and planning phase, you have a time to make a difference. You have the experience, the resilience, and you have the drive to make it. People are experienced at running new enterprises in this phase of all this non-stop newness. Our ageless entrepreneurs will become a great assets to India and the world. Use this recovery planning phase to build more resilience and more opportunities into your life. It is not at all hard. It is just new. This is the action plan. Let us build ageless business, ageless startups, and to become ageless entrepreneurs. So thank you. I appreciate the time to spend on this video to listen. Please follow me and subscribe. Just Anil. Jai Hind.